Bitcoin money cost commonly equivalent to $125.56 a coin, which in a real sense is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 125.04-126.56, which especially is very critical. The earlier day close, 126.16, which sort of is very critical. The change truly was 0.60, 0.48% in a kind of enormous way. Opposite rate, USD to BCH in a genuinely enormous way. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $128, sort of greatest 137, sort of least 119, which really is very huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost $131, all things considered, most extreme 140, really least 122, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $129, most extreme 138, all things considered, least 120, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, April 6, cost $132, by and large most extreme 141, essentially least 123, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost $133, genuinely most extreme 142, fundamentally least 124, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost $128, by and large most extreme 137, sort of least 119, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, April 11, cost $128, greatest 137, truly least 119, which really is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, April 12, cost $129, in every practical sense, most extreme 138, genuinely least 120, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost $124, most extreme 133, least 115, so Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost $124, certainly greatest 133, especially least 115, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, April 14, cost $127, certainly most extreme 136, truly least 118, or so they most certainly thought. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost $119, most certainly greatest 127, lovely least 111, showing how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $129, especially greatest 138, truly least 120, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost $122, genuinely greatest 131, all things considered, least 113, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $117, greatest 125, genuinely least 109 amazingly. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, April 20, cost $121, most certainly greatest 129, sort of least 113, which really is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $117, essentially greatest 125, especially least 109 in a kind of significant manner. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, April 24, cost $126, sort of most extreme 135, really least 117, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $128, especially greatest 137, sort of least 119 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost $120, genuinely most extreme 128, truly least 112 in an especially huge way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $124, lovely greatest 133, especially least 115, exhibiting that Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, April 7, cost $133, especially most extreme 142, certainly least 124 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $130, truly greatest 139, kind of least 121, or so they certainly thought. In about a month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $138, greatest 148, kind of least 128, which really is very critical. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $139 in every way that really matters. Greatest 149, kind of least 129, which for the most part is very huge. USD to BCH swapping scale commonly equivalent to 0.7964 coins per $100 in an especially significant manner. Today, S reach 0.7901-0.7997 in an exceptionally enormous way. The past day, S nearby 0.7926, which in a real sense is very huge. Change for now plus 0.0038, plus 0.48%. USD to BCH cost gauge for, in the not so distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, April 3, cost 0.781 coins, sort of most extreme 0.840, essentially least 0.730. Genuinely further appearance how in about a month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $138, lovely greatest 148, beautiful least 128, which certainly is very huge. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 0.763 coins, beautiful greatest 0.820, really least 0.714, showing how Bitcoin money cost commonly equivalent to $125.56 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost 0.775 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.833, certainly least 0.725, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to BCH expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.758 coins, most extreme 0.813, especially least 0.709. Exhibiting how sort of backwards rate, USD to BCH, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, April 7, cost 0.752 coins, sort of most extreme 0.806, exceptionally least 0.704. In multi-week USD to BCH expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 0.781 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.840, certainly least 0.730, which for the most part shows that in multi-week Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost $128, truly most extreme 137, especially least 119, which basically is genuinely critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.781 coins, truly greatest 0.840, essentially least 0.730, or so they really thought. USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.775 coins, truly most extreme 0.833, especially least 0.725. So Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $117, truly greatest 125, fundamentally least 109 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.806 coins, in every way that really matters. Greatest 0.870, for the most part least 0.752, which